Today we are going to take a closer look at the hierarchy of legal authority and how it manifests in constitution, statutes and regulations. These are the fundamental building blocks of our legal system, and understanding their roles and relationship is crucial to grasping how law functions in practice. Constitutions. A constitution is the supreme law of the land. It sets out the fundamental principles that govern a country, state or organization. Constitutions establish the basic structure of government, outline the rights and freedoms of citizens, and define the limits of governmental power. In many countries, the constitution is a written document, but in some cases it may be unwritten based on customs and traditions. Key features of constitutions. Supremacy. A constitution overrides all other laws within its jurisdiction. Any law that conflicts with the constitution is invalid and unenforceable. Entrenchment. Constitutions are typically designed to be difficult to amend, ensuring stability and continuity in the legal system. Fundamental rights. Most constitutions include a Bill of Rights that guarantees certain fundamental freedoms and protection to individuals, such as freedom of speech, religion, and assembly. Statutes. Statutes, also known as acts or legislation, are laws enacted by a legislative body, such as Parliament or Congress. They are written laws that cover a wide range of subjects from criminal law and taxation to environmental protection and social welfare. Key features of statutes. Specific. Statutes address specific issues or areas of law, providing detailed rules and regulations. Legislative process. Statutes are created through a formal legislative process involving debate, amendment, and voting. Enforceability. Statutes have the force of law and are binding on individuals and organizations within their jurisdiction. Regulations. Regulations, also known as rules or bylaws, are detailed rules and procedures created by government agencies and administrative bodies to implement and enforce broader provisions of statutes. They are designed to provide practical guidance on how to comply with the law and often address technical or specialized matters. Key features of regulations. Administrative. Regulations are created through an administrative process which typically involves public consultation and review. Flexibility. Regulations can be more easily updated and amended than statutes, allowing for greater adaptability to changing circumstances. Enforcement. Regulations are enforced by government agencies and can carry penalties for non-compliance. The hierarchy of laws. Constitutions, statutes, and regulations form a hierarchical structure in most legal systems. The Constitution sits at the top, followed by statutes and then regulations. This means that a statute cannot contradict the Constitution and a regulation cannot contradict a statute. Understanding this hierarchy is essential for interpreting and applying the law. When there is a conflict between different levels of law, the higher law prevails.